अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल. वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल Hajira classes. So today we will see fractions. In last video we have seen that what meaning of fraction. So continuing to our last video, today we will see how to write fraction. Okay, so this we'll learn through one model. So here I have prepared one model. So guys, here is this model, and through this model we will see today writing fraction. So in this model you can see here is the purple color circle is there, and this circle is divided into 8 parts. You can count and see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, isn't it? So the 8 parts are divided in one circle is divided into 8 parts. So let's start, begin. So how many parts are there exactly? Yes, you are right, exactly there are 8 parts. So I will write 8 here like this. Okay, so in these 8 parts I am going to remove one of the part. Yes, so guys, how many parts remains? Purple color I am asking you. Purple color, yes, there are 7 parts. So what I will do, I will write that 7 here. Okay, no problem. I'll write above the 8 I will write 7. Yes, now next I will remove another part from the purple circle. Yes, now can you tell me how many circles are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Right, 6 circles, 6 parts. So I will write this 6 by 8. Okay, so next another like this only. Yes, so I removed another part. Now how many parts remains? 1 2 3 4 5. Now right here 5 parts remains. Okay, so total 8 parts, in that 5 parts remains. Now let's remove another part. Yes, removed. Now tell me how many parts remain? 1 2 3 4. Yes, very good. Now remains 4. So this is 4 by 8. Okay, so like that I can remove all the parts. Okay, see here. Now 3 parts remain, 2 parts remains, 1 parts remains, and this finally 1. Okay, so here in this way you can write the fraction. Now come. Yes, so here you can see what are the numbers: 7 by 8, 6 by 8, 5 by 8, 4 by 8. So these numbers are nothing but what? Fractions. Now you can see here every number which is written at the bottom of the line is greater than the line which is written at the top, isn't it? 8 is greater than 4 and 8 is greater than 5. So in all the fraction the bottom written number is what? Greater than the number which is written at the top. Okay, now see here what we can see. We can see here at the bottom the number which I have written greater, that represent what's the total parts, that represents the total parts, and the number which is written at the top, that 7 6 5 4, these all are nothing but the parts which are under consideration. Means what? Whatever part you are going to consider, first is numerator and then it is a denominator. So the total parts we call it as denominator, and the parts which are under consideration we call it as a numerator. Okay, now see here this example which we have done already, this 7 by 8, it was 8 parts in the purple circle, and in these 8 parts we have removed one part. So how many remains? This remains 7 parts. So that's why we have written here 7. Okay, जो आप parts consider करोगे that will be written at the top, means numerator, and the number and the total number of parts will be written at the bottom, which we call it as a denominator. If you'll get confusion in the numerator and denominator, just remember as a ND. So n means n for numerator and the d for denominator. In this way you can remember. Now see here, with this example you can easily tell which is the numerator and which is the denominator, isn't it? So this 5 by 6, in this 5 is the numerator and the 6 is the denominator. Likewise, if I write 7 by 9, if I write the 7 by 9, so you can easily tell me that the 7 is the numerator and the 9 is a denominator. Okay, so here is one fraction, that's 11 by 15. So here are some more examples of writing fraction. So here you can see one circle is there, and in that circle one is two parts are there. One is colored, one is not colored. So we can see that shaded parts means the shaded part. So if I want to write the fraction for this shaded part, then what I will write first, I will write the total, means how many two parts total. Okay, out of 2, how much is color shaded? 1 is shaded, so 1 by 2, and this unshaded also 1 by 2, because only 2 parts, one is shaded and another one is unshaded. Okay, so can you tell me what are the denominator and the numerator in this? Yeah, very good. This will be numerator and this will be denominator. Correct. Now see another example. Yeah. So in this circle you can see total 4 parts are made, and in these 4 parts 3 parts are shaded and 1 part is not shaded. So that's why we have written here shaded is equal to 3 parts are shaded, 1 2 3. So 3 divided by how many total parts? 4 parts. So we can read it as a 3/4. What? 3/4. Next, unshaded. Unshaded is what? Unshaded is only 1 part. Out of what? Out of 4 parts, 1 is not shaded or unshaded. So we call it as a 1/4. Next. Yes. Here you can see it is the rectangle, and in this rectangle, total how many parts? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total 7 parts. So in the 7 parts, what we have did, only 3 parts we have shaded. So that's why 3 parts are shaded out of 7. So this we call it as a 3/7. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel.